Stop. This is why you're not becoming the person you want. It's your identity. Because you don't get what you want in life. You become who you believe you are. So every time you try to change, you go back to the same habits, the same patterns, the same results. But what if you could reprogram your identity step by step? Introducing the K.A.I.Z.E.N. Identity Transformation System. K stands for knowledge shift. A stands for awareness. I stands for identity change. Z stands for zero resistance habits. E stands for execution. N stands for new results. No overwhelm. No forcing yourself. Just small, consistent shifts that quietly transform who you are. So now ask yourself, will you stay the same or step into your next identity? Tap below to access the system, where tiny adjustments create your desired results to your success and happiness.